EUREKA المجلة العلمية لإذاعة الشباب.
My name is Nikos Fifas. I represent the region of Peloponnese, Greece, for this project, the Green Building Project. The Green Building Project is a consortium of 6 partners from different countries, Mediterranean countries and nearby Europe. For example, the region of Peloponnese is one of them, is the lead partner. We have Lebanon, we have Jordan, the university, and the Irbit municipality, the Technopole, of course. And we are very happy to be here. And it's a very interesting place. We are very happy to be at your country. And we thank you very much for the hospitality. This is the meeting for the steering committee of the project. And we enjoy so far all the conference. This is a very complex project. It has many aspects and many parts. The 3 main parts of the project is that we have pilots. In other words, in detail, we have to renovate 3 buildings. One of them is in Greece, in the city of Sparta. The other one is here at the hospital, Mohamed Hospital. And we have a 3rd one, which is in Jordan, and another building. What we do is we renovate energy refurbishment of the buildings so that we have a lower emission of pollution. What we do really is we implement all the new technologies around this field, this aspect, but taking into account that the buildings are public buildings. That means that we have to respect the public uses of this building. This is the innovation of this project. It's not just a refurbishment of a building. We all follow the same rules. We all follow the same procedures. Take into account that this is a European project, and the procedures are very specific and very closed. Everybody has to go through the same study, because before the renovation there is a big study around it, which covers the whole aspect of the project. So the main idea is all the partners to cooperate with the same rules and the same technological issues.
EUREKA المجلة العلمية لإذاعة الشباب.